actually took a short break. Man, it was raining out over there. So we are kind of going to a reservoir right now. Yeah, then again I don't have a mic. So yeah, I'll just put down music.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometime I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, hey. If I want something, I got it. Hey, hey. Oh baby, I need love me. Hey, hey. Cause the love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fancy brighter. Yeah. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye. Chances, I don't care if I am fancy brighter. Yeah, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye, yeah, oh boy, I'm telling goodbye.
So yeah, right now we are taking a walk. We just park our bike over there. Damn, this is risky. We are going to walk this side towards the dam. Whoa, 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 whoa. Damn. Whoa. Yeah. Turn up the volume, hear the sound. Whoa. Damn, people are crazy, yo. I'll walk a little down. yeah, let's go. So we are done here. Man, fuck, all wet. It was already rainy. But yeah, so shit. I did not expect these many people around over here basically, and there are a lot of people. Yeah, so we're planning to leave home. Here's my friend called. Bol. Hello. Hello. बोल रहे हैं हाँ आ रहे वापस ही आ रहे so yeah we are leaving home right now we have to travel again 40 kilometers again so yeah this is the view that's the sunset it was fun walking back home right now. We'll have to go climb that and then yeah. So yeah, I don't have much of charging in my GoPro right now, so most probably we'll just start right now to home. So yeah, that's the sunset view. Yeah, this is on the other end. I don't know where the water is coming from basically. It's been pumped out over here I guess most probably. So yeah, so I don't have much of battery on this basically, so I'll see you in the next video most probably. So if you watch this video till the end, then I would like you to please subscribe to my channel, support my channel. There's very low battery, so yeah, I don't have much of option right now. I'm just trying to find my friend. Did I fucking book my bike? Okay, is that the one? I hope so. Damn the traffic, yo. Okay, yeah, we parked our bike somewhere over here. No way. Now how we take it out? How would we take out our bike? Fudge. क्या? ऐसा क्या? आ रहे चल जल्दी रुक जा. Alright guys, see you in the next video. Then goodbye, take care.